Honestly, I feel like my eyes are getting bigger, or is it just me? Anyways, hi guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm Mbokazi in the building. You know what you do. It was so weird because I've been away for quite some time, simply because I've been home, just like taking a break from everything. But today we are back with another video because we saw this yesterday, and I was just like, I can't wait to wake up and plug this hair on my head. Okay, so today we are working with DyHair77. Obviously you guys will have everything down below, and also I have a discount code right here on the screen just in case you guys are interested. So the hair comes in like that already. I've tied this because I have a really small head. It is a lace frontal. Okay, and also it doesn't feel heavy, it's very light, it feels like natural hair, and also it looks really nice on me. Okay guys, so I'll have all the dates on the side so you guys can check out everything just in case you have any questions. And also delivery took about 7 days, which is so cool. Anyways, so I'm about to cut the lace because I don't like to cut it when it's stuck in my hair already. I just like doing it on the side and coming back and doing it and plugging it in my hair when everything is cut off. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, it's cut already and it fits according to my head. Okay, so I also feel like this is beginner friendly because you guys saw that I didn't bleach the knots. I'm just using a wig cap, which is something that is easy for everyone to do because bleaching knots can be a bit difficult for me as well sometimes. So, and also with the plugging, I think it's fine for a curly wig. If I need to do more, or if you feel like you want to do more, it's okay, but I feel like it comes pre-plugged, as you guys can see. Okay, so now let's resume. I'm gonna use my Got2b glue. Yeah, so I'm just laying the wig right now just for the glue to stick in with me. But anyways, I feel like I love the curls like this, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. I think sometimes I'll just have to wear it like this because I know we're about to wake up the curls, but sometimes I feel like I want everything to be puffy because I have a really small head, you know. Sometimes you gotta let loose. All right, so yeah, I'm about to do the curls. I'm gonna use water. Okay, so now it's stuck, and I like the fact that you can use an afro comb to just like comb through. Just so cool. I love this hair. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my water just to wake up the curls. I'm thinking let's do the middle part, but anyways, after the water you can use this leave-in conditioner, which smells so nice and actually detangles the hair. Is it open? It smells so good, you guys, I promise you. Don't put too much, do not put too much of these products, just a tiny bit. Okay, I don't know if I'm using a tiny bit. Oh, it smells so good, so good. It's color for me. Okay, and lastly we're gonna go with my mousse. I use this one from Tresemme. I ran out. I had to like get a new one because I'm obsessed. Okay, I ran out. I'm obsessed with this. So we're gonna go over like that. Oof. The fact that you can just like comb through. Woo, mommy. Hey, Ooh, It's the curls for me. Okay, I'm about to style this hair. Okay, so I kind of want to do a bit of edges here on the side. So I'm gonna take out a bit of hair on the sides. Okay, one thing about me and doing my edges, we do not get along, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but we are doing it anyways. Okay, because they deserve to be done. It has to happen either way. So what I've noticed about edges is that when you leave them like this, they look thick and so unreal. So once you've done with doing them like this, you need to take a headband or iduglako or whatever it is that you're using, and just like press on the edges again. Okay, press on them again. So once you've taken off the headband, you just brush on them again just to make them look natural. Okay, it's a trick that I saw and I was just like, oh, I should plug my ladies. You're having edges that look like they just stuck on you. That's super glue. They should look natural. Okay, like that. Oh, I'm in love. And also, you guys notice that I've get the middle part. So you guys notice my hair needs to be flat over here, so I'm gonna mousse it up. I'm so beautiful. And just for the shine and the healthy looking hair, oh sorry, there's so much powder in them, I'm gonna use my spray. This is hairspray, just for the shine and the healthy looking hair that we need. I'm in love. That's all I'm gonna say. Need I say more? Need I? Guys, I am obsessed. That's all I'm gonna say. Love, love, love. Everything is on point. Okay, now I need to do something that I forgot. Okay, oh, it's the glow for me, it's the hair for me, it's everything for me. Use my foundation just on top here, because I'm about to go do my makeup right now, you guys. Oof. Yeah, I think that's enough. At this point, I don't even need makeup. Oh yeah! What a confident booster! I don't even need makeup. Tell me if I'm lying. Tell me if I'm lying, okay? Okay, let me go do my makeup and then I'll come back with actual video. But also I feel like with this looking minimal makeup, and that's what I'm about to do, okay? Because baby, okay, so we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. As you guys can see, I'm amazed. I like the fact that, I think I told you guys and I'm still gonna say it again, this hair feels so natural. It's not heavy. Yeah, so I'm in love, and I like the fact that they have this card over here that tells you how to take care of your hair, because as much as we can do that, but like I feel like we need a bit of guidance sometimes there and there. So basically, thank you so much DyHair77 for sponsoring our video today. We love sponsorships. Okay guys, I'm about to go play with other kids. Thank you so much for tuning in, my babies. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.